Today we're going to demonstrate the ease of changing the diaphragms on a Flotronic one nut pump. First thing to do is to release the torque on the main nut. Remove the nut, dome washer, rod washer, slide off the secondary dome, remove the air system, undo the diaphragms. Take one off, slide out, diaphragms replaced. You can now either check them, see if they're fine, or replace them. Replacing them, opposite procedure. Place first diaphragm onto the thrust tube and place it into the pump. Replace the second one. Tightening the diaphragms up. Tighten it as tight as you can. Ideally you would leave this 5 minutes now to the rest and then carry on and put the pump back together, ensuring at the end the bearings are closest to and system goes into. Replace your secondary dome. Place the dome washer, rod washer, main nut. And then we can re-torque the pump. And then we have diaphragm change on a Flotronic one nut pump.